Welcome to the SAP MM CIN training session. Here, we'll explore the essentials of this module, especially its relevance to Indian tax regulations. I'll briefly discuss its integration with SAP MM and touch upon its key features. Don't worry, I promise no technical jargon, just a straightforward, insightful journey. Let's dive in. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. SAP MM, or Materials Management, is all about optimizing procurement and inventory management. In this slide, we'll discuss how it plays a pivotal role in enhancing the supply chain process. Think of SAP MM as your organizational wizard. It helps streamline operations and make life easier. CIN is tailored specifically for Indian tax requirements. It ensures compliance with regulations like GST and excise duty. I'll walk you through how CIN makes tax calculations less daunting and keeps your compliance game strong. Trust me, tax doesn't have to be terrifying. Configuring SAP MM might seem like a puzzle, but don't worry, it's manageable. We'll talk about the must-dos, such as setting up master data and tackling initial challenges. Think of this as your foundation for a smoother SAP MM experience. Taxation within CIN takes the complexity out of the Indian tax framework. With GST integration and automation, life gets simpler for businesses. I'll break down these features, making tax management feel less like climbing a mountain and more like taking a nice stroll. Excise duty sounds intimidating, doesn't it? Well, it's actually quite straightforward when managed via CIN. We'll walk through its importance, implementation, and how SAP MM CIN ensures compliance effortlessly. Who says tax topics can't be fun? Vendor master data is like your address book. It keeps everything organized and accurate. I'll explain why managing this data is crucial for SAP MM and share some best practices. It's all about simplifying processes and boosting reliability. Purchase order processing is the backbone of procurement. We'll go through the life cycle of creating, tracking, and managing POs while understanding their integration with SAP MM. Trust me, this is the fun part, getting things done seamlessly. Goods, receipt, and invoice verification ensure everything adds up. Literally, I'll guide you through the steps, show you how errors are resolved, and highlight how it all ties into accounting. Don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. Understanding material valuation is like knowing the value of every penny in your wallet. Accurate valuation helps businesses make informed financial decisions. Pricing materials involves different methods, each affecting costs and profit margins. A strategic pricing approach can optimize profitability, but let's be honest, valuation can be tricky with fluctuating costs and market changes. It's like trying to guess the price of coffee next month. Imagine a business where purchasing, finance, and sales work in isolation. Chaos, right? SAP MM integration with FI and SD ensures smooth data flow, making transactions efficient. Financial records reflect real-time material costs, and sales align with inventory. The benefits: streamlined operations and better decision-making. But beware of integration hiccups. It's like trying to sync your phone contacts with different apps. It's fantastic when it works, frustrating when it doesn't. GST isn't just a tax. It's a game changer for businesses in CIN. It simplifies taxation, making it more uniform. For procurement, GST impacts pricing and compliance, affecting cost structures. Staying compliant means understanding tax rules and documentation. No shortcuts here. But let's face it, GST rules can be confusing. If tax codes were a puzzle, GST would be the missing piece businesses need to solve. Managing stock is like balancing your fridge. You don't want too much or too little. Optimizing inventory helps reduce costs and prevents overstocking issues. Modern tracking systems keep businesses informed in real time. Regular audits ensure stock accuracy, like checking your fridge for expired milk. When done right, inventory control boosts efficiency and profitability, making businesses run smoother than a well-stocked supermarket aisle. Think of reporting as the dashboard of a car. It tells you everything you need to know. SAP MM CIN reporting tools provide actionable insights for better business decisions. Real-time data ensures accuracy, but poor reporting can lead to wrong conclusions. A well-structured report can boost efficiency and profits, making it the secret weapon for smart businesses. But if reports were a movie, accuracy would be the plot twist. Challenges? Oh, plenty. SAP MM CIN implementation has roadblocks, from integration issues to compliance concerns. But smart strategies help overcome them. Adopting best practices streamlines processes, making businesses more agile. Real-world case studies provide insights into successful implementations. In short, every challenge is an opportunity waiting to be tackled. So here we are, the finish line. We've covered valuation, integration, GST, inventory, reporting, and challenges. What's next? Implement these insights to optimize SAP MM CIN operations. Keep an eye on future trends. Technology keeps evolving. And remember, learning never stops. SAP MM is a vast ocean. Dive in and explore. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.